Have you ever wondered how you can earn and save money at the same time? It may seem like a challenge, but it's definitely possible. Here are some practical steps you can take to achieve this. First, consider starting a side hustle. This can be anything from freelance writing, graphic design, selling handmade crafts, or even starting a small online business. The key here is to find something you're passionate about and turn it into a money-making venture. Secondly, invest wisely. Investments, when done right, can be an excellent source of passive income. Real estate, stocks, bonds, or mutual funds are all viable options. However, it's crucial to do your research or seek expert advice before diving in. Thirdly, create a budget and stick to it. By tracking your income and expenses, you can identify where your money is going and make necessary adjustments. Remember, every penny saved is a penny earned. Fourthly, cut down on unnecessary expenses. Do you really need that daily cup of expensive coffee or the latest smartphone? Sometimes cutting down on these little luxuries can result in significant savings. Fifthly, learn a new skill. In today's digital age, skills like coding, digital marketing, or even photography can fetch you a good price. Websites like Udemy or Coursera offer affordable courses that you can take advantage of. Lastly, consider automating your savings. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account each month. This way, you're saving without even thinking about it. To summarize, earning and saving money at the same time is about finding additional income sources, investing wisely, budgeting effectively, cutting down on unnecessary expenses, learning new skills, and automating your savings. It's a journey that requires patience and discipline, but the rewards are well worth the effort. So take that first step today and set yourself on the path to financial freedom.